rain is abundance. I don't know if you knew that. But rain is abundance. Rain waters the land. It feeds the crops. It washes away. It renews the energy of a place. It washes away the things that may have been lingering. Okay? Someone here is going through storms right now. These could be metaphorical, or they could be real storms, like in the 3D. I hate saying real, because just because something is a metaphor doesn't mean that it's not real. Anyway, that's another conversation for another day. The point of this is that if you're going through storms, you're going through these storms for a reason, okay? There is an abundance. You are abundant. And these storms are aiding your abundance, okay? They're helping you to grow your abundance. So you have to pay attention. Figure out what it is that you're meant to learn from these storms, or what is the purpose of the storm. Why is the storm here? Why would this be happening in your reality right now? Okay? Last year, I went through so many storms, metaphorical. What is going on with my mouth? Okay. Metaphoric storms and literal storms. There were a lot. But every time it would rain, my spirit team would remind me that the rain is abundance. And you know what I noticed? The rain washed things away. The storms moved people out of my life. It washed away things that I thought would be there forever. It showed me their impermanence. And it gave me clearer vision. It showed me the fruits of my labor and where my labor wasn't bearing fruit. The rain brought clarity. The storms brought me so much clarity. And I've just, now sometimes I'll go through the storms, or it'll be raining and I'll almost forget. But Spirit just brought that back up to me, that storms are abundance. Rain is abundance. Spirit says that if you have an abundance of things that you don't like, or things that are less than optimal, that you can change that to being abundant in things that are optimal. Okay? But you have to realize that you're already abundant. Don't feel like, oh, so much bad stuff is happening to me. There's so many storms that I've had to weather. Don't feel like that. Okay? The same way that you've manifested an abundance of trials and tribulation, you can manifest an abundance of joy and peace, prosperity. Okay? You have to believe that that's what's for you, and that that is what you deserve. Storms are abundance. Just remember that. Have a good day.